Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway and we are going to talk about the new exit for Portmore. Now somewhere along the road here between the Fesco gas station and the Highway 2000 roundabout, they are going to build an exit ramp that takes you straight into Portmore. So you're still going to have the stoplight you can use down at the bottom, but somewhere along here they're going to build another road that will take you to Portmore. Now this is very important because Mandela Highway, which we are on, is a very busy road, and most of the traffic going that uses Mandela goes to Portmore. So if you can build a ramp that takes you over to Portmore somewhere out here, and also another ramp takes you from Mandela to Portmore, and also another ramp from Portmore back to Mandela. So that road is very important, and they're supposed to start construction on it within the next fiscal year, which is from April 1, 2023 to March 31st, 2024. So this road definitely will be a game changer for Portmore, and also it will free up a lot of traffic on the Mandela Highway, because Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, and you use this road to get to Portmore, the PJ Patterson Highway, Spanish Town, and the Edward Seaga Highway. So if you can free up the traffic that goes to Portmore, it will definitely help with the flow of traffic on this road. That's one thing. Another thing is Portmore has another main road of getting there, which was a causeway bridge. But when Highway 2000 was built, that road turned into a toll road. So if you wanted to use a causeway bridge, that road is now called the Portmore Expressway, you have to pay toll, and the toll for that road is not cheap, it's very expensive. So it's good that the government is building back a road that persons can use free of charge, because there was a lot of discussion about how you must take an existing road and turn it into a toll road. You want to build a toll road, build it from scratch. But that wasn't done. It was the existing road they took and turned into a toll road. So it's very good that the government is building back a road, another road that can get you into Portmore and you don't have to pay toll. So we will keep you guys updated on this project. The road will somewhere out here. They haven't started construction yet, so we don't know the exact spot. Not even sure if they know the exact spot yet, but no, they do, because they have diagrams up of what the road will look like when finished. All right, so we'll keep you guys updated on that. And Portmore is a very busy municipality, a large population, and it's going to become a parish very soon. It's going to be the 15th parish in Jamaica. So it's good that they are fixing the road infrastructure projects, or they're working on the road infrastructure project to Portmore. They're also doing a lot of work in Portmore. A lot of roads in Portmore are going to be upgraded. Grange Lane, I don't remember the list now, but we'll do a video on those roads later on. And also we will keep you updated with all the roadworks by making videos of the progress. Also, when they start working on this road, we'll also make videos to keep you updated. Alright, so we are now entering the PJ Patterson Highway, which is also known as Highway 2000 East-West leg. So this highway takes you from Mandela Highway to Montego Bay. However, the highway is not finished to Montego Bay yet. The highway is finished up to Maypen now. But from Maypen to Mandeville, that highway is under construction, and it will finish in August of this year. It's over 90% complete. And then they announced that they will be building the highway from Mandeville to Hodges in St. Elizabeth, and that's going to start it's going to start this year, basically. And they have started work on the Montego Bay end of the highway with the Long Hill bypass going up through Anchovy, Mount Pelion. That's where the highway will connect back to the Perimeter Road in Montego Bay. So that highway should be finished very soon. It's a pity it wasn't done all in one go, but they said it was the cost and they weren't sure if persons would use the highway. This was the first major highway built in Jamaica. So it's being worked on. Alright guys, let us know what you think about the Portmore Road project, the ramp from Mandela into Portmore. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.